The main topic is a money management system that replaces traditional budgeting. Welcome to Alex Explains Money Training. Understand why budgeting often fails people. Learn the 4-account system for financial management. Discover how to implement the money system step by step. Identify mistakes to avoid with this system. Here's how to manage your money effectively. Budgeting fails due to reliance on daily effort, which can fluctuate. How to avoid this? Shift from effort to an automated system. Action. Trust an automated system to reduce effort. Manage your finances through 4 specific accounts. How it works. Each account serves a unique purpose. Action. Allocate money appropriately without hassle. Learn the 4-week plan to establish your system. Implementation steps. Open accounts and set up automatic transfers. Action. Keep it simple, follow the plan. Discover how this system supports your financial health over time. Future-proof. Flexibility to adjust as life changes. Action. Evaluate and make minimal adjustments as needed. Now, let's apply this with some real-world scenarios. You're tasked with dividing your income into 4 accounts. Initial step. Split your income according to set percentages. Your action should be: ensure each account is funded correctly. You need to adjust your budget allocation based on new costs. Adapting. Reevaluate and modify the necessary percentages. If this happens, be flexible while keeping the system intact. Transition from budgeting to an automated system. The 4-account system clarifies financial goals. This system adapts to income variations without disruption. Subscribe for more insights on practical money management strategies. Thank you for joining this valuable financial journey.